In this video, I want to talk about WordPress categories and WordPress tags. So, should you use one of them? Should you use both? And what's the difference? To enable categories, you need nothing to do. They are enabled by default. Same with tags. You just need to submit each post to a category or even multiple categories, and the tags can be added manually in the WordPress editor. So what you can see here is a category page of an example page I created, and it's called Compact Fridges. You can see there are different products here, and what I did for my on-page SEO is I put a little unique text on the category page. So this is to help Google index the page and make it unique, because if you have these refrigerators here and maybe all of them are higher fridges and are tagged with higher fridge, the tag page for higher fridge would look exactly the same as this category page. To prevent this, a little unique text, the more the better, and it will help you with your on-page SEO. Another thing you could do is prevent Google from indexing the second page here. And what I mean by that is that you have the same unique text, if any, on the second page than you had on the first page. So this is duplicate content again. So I would set up Yoast to prevent indexing second pages in Google. You can see how I did this in the Yoast video. Now that you have unique category pages, it is useful to have unique tag pages also. As you can see, here is some more unique text on the tag page. This is the tag archive for higher fridge. There's some unique text, and then there are product articles. So this helps you to prevent duplicate content issues on your website. Because here's another tag page. It's the tag beverage refrigerator glass door, and it only has one article snippet, no unique content, and it's pretty much useless for any visitor. So what I would recommend is to use either categories or tags and not both. So I created lots of tags on this page. This is my tag cloud in the sidebar, and I would not recommend to do this. On many of my other sites, I only used categories and no tags at all, because they do not provide any SEO benefit. And if you have well organized categories, you are good to go. So decide to use categories in a useful manner. And if you have more than 5 or 6 categories, maybe some pages have up to 10 or 20 categories, do not put them all in your navigation. So what I want to say is I only have these 6 categories on this page. They nicely fit in my navigation and the visitor knows where to go. But if you have subcategories, it only gets overwhelming and it hurts conversions massively to have too much categories here. So make it subcategories, and maybe if the visitor hovers over one of these, they will pop up. So that's it about tags and categories. Just be careful, only index the first archive page and prevent Google from indexing pages 2, 3, 4 and so on. And my recommendation would be to use categories and no tags at all.